walang mahigpit na direktiba ni Pangulong Arroyo o ni Pangulong Aquino na tiyaking ligtas ang mga sibilyan na apektado ng sagupaan ng Moro National Liberation Front at Abu Sayyaf. Inihayag ito ng palasyo sa gitna ng patuloy na bakbakan ng dalawang grupo sa Sulu. Ayon kay Communications Secretary Ricky Carandang, sinisikap ng militar at pulisya na maprotektahan hindi lamang ang mga sibilyan, kundi pati na ang mga hostage ng Abu Sayyaf.
I think the AFP and the President have made that statement, and I have very little to add to that. What we can say is that the priority of the armed forces and the police right now is to make sure that civilians who are not involved in this are protected. We also want to make sure that any hostages that may be held remain safe. Those are the priorities of our security forces, particularly making sure that the civilians remain unaffected as much as possible or not harmed by the fighting that's happening between the fighters and the Abu Sayyaf.